Are you
This
able to view my?
conference will now be recorded.
Not yet. I'm. I can't see the screen yet.
So voice is okay?
Voice is very good. Yeah.
Because it's raining here, heavy raining from last 1 hour.
Oh. Uh-huh.
So you're from Bangalore, right?
Yeah, yeah, Bangalore.
So in Hyderabad, heavy rain from 5:30 onwards. But now it is my place.
Okay.
Okay. So we're going to discussing the next chapters, so which are related to the Numcore feature. So Lakshmi, make me presenter.
Yesterday you asked me to remind you about some.
Yes, what is that?
Something you told me.
This thing only. This thing only. Parameters,
Parameters.
right?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Just wait. She has to do,
Okay.
yeah, that phone page sharing. So she requires something. I think she's not available. Already 8:05. Okay. Yeah, today we are going to discuss a very important subject. So that
Okay.
yesterday also you asked me a question. So why you go to respective countries to respective countries, right? So
Yes.
we cannot do the two companies at a time in demo system, right? So in the
Yeah.
real time scenario, you can do the many countries integration, right? So this
Yes.
system is supported for only one country or alternate any country, but you can do which country you activated, that country you can able to be. But whenever
Okay.
implementing for more than one country, that is available for in the system. So there is no
Okay.
anything not possible. Everything is possible. That is called ERP,
Hmm.
right?
Yes. So one question I have, Ajay.
Yeah, please.
When you give the assignment, right?
When you,
When you are assigning the person area to the person,
uh,
I'm only getting one on one.
yeah, only one.
I
Yes.
no, no, why?
Yeah, you know.
Because I want to assign. Okay, one on one. Okay, Ford car and Ford engine. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so what my question is in the code New York, right?
Hmm.
Can I assign
Yes,
both?
yes. Tell me.
Can I assign both F car and F engine there?
Yes, yes, yes.
No, no, it's not possible. Only
We
two
can.
line items are coming. How can I add a line item?
Here is not possible. Here is not possible, but in real time it's possible. That software is different from this. Yes,
Okay,
we can.
okay,
We can do. No worry. So we can do that.
okay, sure.
So today we are going to discussing the related subject is of allotment of personal number.
Okay,
Allotment of personal numbers.
sure. I can't see your screen. Sir.
Yeah, yeah, they have not made me as a presenter.
Oh,
So I sent a message. Let me check that.
okay.
So
Yeah.
she's there only. I think she's another go to meeting.
Okay.
Yeah, Lakshmi, make me presenter, please. Yeah, Lakshmi, make me presenter, right? Hello. Yeah, Uday.
Yes, Ajay.
Yeah, it is actually not possible. I think she is in other call or something. She is busy, but she is unable to
Okay.
make me presenter. So if not she done presenter, I unable to show you that screen, right?
Yes, yes.
So I think the heavy rains in Hyderabad right now. So she may be electricity problem, something I don't know. But
Okay, so
okay,
should we close it for today?
yeah, I can cancel the class today. But do you have any questions? One
No, no,
minute,
no. I'm
done, done,
practicing.
done.
I'm practicing. I'll finish.
Yes, done, done. Don't worry. Yes, right.
Sure, Ajay.
So
Then
I'm
we'll meet tomorrow.
yeah. Please stay there. I'm starting the
No
class. Are you
problem.
able to view my screen?
Yeah, yeah, sure. No, nothing. I'm unable to see
Okay.
anything.
No?
This conference will
No?
now be recorded.
Are you able to view?
Yeah, I'm there. Oh, yes, I'm able to see
Okay.
your screen now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Good, good. Okay.
Okay. Let us go to today. We are going to discussing very important subject, that is allotment of personal numbers, allotment of ID numbers, allotment of unique numbers to the employee on hiring. So this is the process
Okay.
only. So in the modern management also that we are providing that different numbers. So each employee has its own number, unique numbers. Okay, and we no need
Yeah.
to see any name.
Mm-hmm.
So I think you know the process, right? So now let you check how we are going to defining that personal numbers. Yes, yes, write down. So today we are going to discussing these two subjects here. Integration is completed, and after that now we are going to discussing this. So we are making this, you know, different types of countries. So I said last time also that is Molga is using for country numbers, country grouping numbers. So that is MOL, MOL should be maintained, and UGR group also there. So that should be also user grouping for master data for that country. So respective country data, respective country number should be maintained. Then only we can able to use that all master data connections and all statutory provisions and tax provisions. Okay, right? So please write on this. So go to IMG, personal management, personalization, basic settings. Then go to the maintenance of parameters. So maintain user grouping and country grouping. Done. ఇటుంది అటుందో లేదు. Yeah. Calcutta. Yeah, Uday?
Ajay, I
Ah,
just joined it. I haven't followed anything.
okay. You just joined right now, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I rejoined.
Okay, nice.
Network seems to be very bad.
So let
Yeah,
us
it's
discuss
good
today.
now.
We are going to discuss.
Yeah,
Yes.
I just rejoined.
Let us.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we can start.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss two important matters. So one is adding of
Okay,
that different kind of country groupings, and as well as you can also add the number ranges. So number range intervals for the purpose of allotment of numbers, right? Okay. So how to do
yes.
this? So let us do. So now start SPRO IMG. We write on the path.
Yeah,
Exactly. SPRO IMG. Personal management,
okay,
personal administration, basic settings. So maintain user parameters. So what do you mean by user parameters? So that you can add here country grouping and as well as you can add that user grouping. So in this step, you can store the parameters of user master data.
okay,
You can store parameters in your user master data. You will need these parameters later for overall management of country versions.
okay.
Okay, so let us go to for which country you are doing, you need to update this one, right? So
Yes.
now let us go to add this parameter. This is with the path. So path is already you know that SPRO, IMG, personal management, personal administration, basic settings, and
Okay. Yeah. I lost your screen, Ajay. Ajay, I lost your screen. I can't hear you either. Ajay.
yes. Can you hear me? Hello? Uday, can you hear me?
Okay, Ajay, no, no, yeah, I lost you. You dropped off and then rejoined, sort of.
Yes, now are you able to view my screen?
Still loading. No, it is a blank one.
Yeah, yeah, it's loading. Please wait.
Oh, yeah, I can see it now.
Okay, good. So now let us
Okay,
go to write your path here, the IMG, personal management, personal administration, basic settings, and user parameters. So this is with the
okay,
path only. With the path only, you can go to select your what parameters are there for which country. Right. So
okay.
now, whenever you click on the parameters, so system will ask you for which parameter you need. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So let us see. So I am selecting USA and specify the
Mm,
country here. You have to specify your
okay.
country and go to continue with
Mm,
this. So
okay.
parameters have been made. Parameters have been created here for company of USA. So now you can
Okay.
select this and go to continue with this. So now you see the parameters. So this is 10. This is 10. So these two are important. I said yesterday also. This is the parameter ID is only three digits. MOL, MOLGA, GA also there. But system is not accepting that. So system is going to accept only three letters. MOL. MOL means MOLGA.
Okay.
MOLGA is I think in Germany name it is MOLGA means country. So similarly, you have the UGR, that is user grouping of HR master data related to this country.
Got it. Okay.
Okay. For example, I just created here, I just modified this for India. So select 40
Uh-huh.
for both. So I just saved it. So it is for the purpose
Okay.
of more, that is Molga countries are grouping it systems which are established in the India only.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
India, you can go to 40. You can go for USA 10. If it is UK, it's 08. If it's Australia, something numbers. So there are sequence of numbers are there that I will show you that how to maintain that. So yesterday also, whenever you maintained integration of employee group to employee subgroup also, at that time we saw the
Mm-hmm.
numbers, right? The
Yeah,
same
yeah,
numbers
yeah.
we added here. So if I
Okay.
go with this same path, IMG, personal management, personal administration, basic settings, and if I check this, so what the system saying that
Uh,
we have made from India. The
okay.
parameters are body which is done for India. But
Okay.
now I'm going adding to USA. So if you click
Okay.
on USA, system will taking care which number is related to that.
Okay.
Okay, which number is related
Mm.
to that system will choose. Don't worry. So go with that directly to connect it. So now system saying that parameters created for USA. So what 40
Okay.
was there? for Molga and user group party, it has been changed when you select this activity and go to continue. Now, if
Okay.
you check the station user parameters and see here that what is the 40 was there, it has been modified into USA. USA number is 10.
Okay.
So this is a way you can activate of local country groupings.
Okay.
So that is one of the example. So this is one of the step. So this is one of the process, or this is, this is method of with processing through path only, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So in the real time, it is not possible to go always with the path. So you should very careful. Need to know some personal that is course. So you can easily modify that, right?
Yes.
So what are the parameters are there? What are the parameters are there for other how to change this with the other modules with the other methods? Okay. So now I am going to check this. Directly go to the menu bar. Write down menu
Okay.
bar, user profile, own data, menu bar,
Okay.
systems, user
Okay. User
profile,
profile in data.
and own data. If you click here, so directly without path, so system will show you that area. So you can also manually done. Yeah,
Okay.
you can add 10 and 10 or 40 or 40 or 0808 or Australia or something numbers you can add, right? So this is second
Okay.
method. So third method, if you go to the third method, so you can use OB, SU2, SU02, SU, SU,
No, no. Yes, you.
S02. Okay, okay. SU02. If you use this,
Okay.
go to directly parameters. So now you can go to S02.
Okay.
Sorry, 1 minute, 1 minute. So go with the method, third method is SU2. Okay, SU2.
Okay.
So to use SU2. So this is also shortcut method with the transaction code.
Okay.
So now you can also go to change the parameters for 10 and 10.
Okay.
So if not, one more method also there. So that is 0, O037. That is also fourth method. So we can use any of these to change your local country grouping and user groupings, right? So now
Yes.
0, O37,
You're an
O,
easy access.
anywhere you can add it.
Oh, okay.
0,
Zero.
O37, O037. Yes, O037.
Okay.
O037 without your path, so same table is available. You can also select that specific country itself. Continue.
Okay.
Check. So there are four methods. At least you can use any one or two methods to change
Okay.
your master data for the company, right? Okay. So
Yes.
now next step number two, that is next activity, we are going to discussing about the allotment of personal numbers. Maintain number range intervals for personal numbers. So there are two types
Okay.
of methods are there. If you go with the path, so system will show you that the numbers can be given internally, that numbers will be given externally.
Hmm.
Internal, external.
Okay.
So please, you can write the path, that activity.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm
Yeah.
going to see that how to maintain this personal number ranges. So please select here. So there are three icons are there. So one is which already maintained display, go for change intervals, go for status. So if you see the
Okay.
status, so somebody have created different number ranges here. Okay, so
Hmm.
somebody is maintained that starting to 1 lakh to 2 lakh series, 3 lakh, no, 2 lakh to 2 lakh 99, 3 lakh to 3 lakh 2000, 7 lakh to 7 lakh, 8 lakh to 8 lakh, 1 crore to 1 crore 99. Again, they
Huh.
maintain different one. Okay, so this
Yep.
is allotment of number ranges. These are numbers are latest numbers. So whenever you check these number ranges starting from 2000, right? 2 lakh series, but here 2 lakh 3. So here only 3 implies are there. 3
Okay.
implies because this is your range. And
Yes.
if you go with the 3 lakh series, so there are 21. 3 lakh 21 is the latest current number. Means if you hire the new one, it will go to maintaining 3 lakh 22.
Yes.
Okay. If you maintain this is like 80, 7 lakh is 0, only one number is added and one employee is added, and go to 8 lakh series is only one employee is there. But these are numbers are irrespective numbers are there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm removing this number. I am going to maintain the 9 range for us to maintain this. Okay. So let us go to how to maintain new numbers. So let us go to change. Come to change. If the numbers are there, you can unable to remove these numbers. But now no number is allotted here. Okay, don't remove in the real time, and don't remove here also for practice also. Okay, so I'm going to
Okay.
remove this all. I remove it and go to save this.
Okay.
So this is what is this. One more also option is there. What I said, there is some numbers are allotted with the internal with the external. So this is external code. External.
Okay.
So if you make that check mark here, if you add your check mark here, system is not going to give any number from the system. So you should give the number range from the 3 lakh series to 3 lakh 93 members. Okay.
Oh, got it. Hmm.
So don't put this number always, because we are going for automation only. So why you need to maintain again manual?
Manual. Yeah. True. True. True.
Don't keep
Hmm.
this manual. Even I'm removing this and I'll save it. Now I'm going to maintain range for our company. Add intervals. So I'm going
Okay.
to add range with the 9 lakh series. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now please go to add number ranges. Take 09. So that is 9 lakh series. 9 plus double zero double zero. And this is for 9 series. 9 double nine double nine double
One
nine.
more nine. Yeah.
So this is the range I am going to create for our company. So which numbers are there from 9 lakh series to 9 lakh 999, which is range starting from 9 only. So it is add to plus save it. So I don't want to giving this external number ranges. If you put check
True.
mark here, it is giving for external.
Got
Okay,
it.
if you
Yeah.
don't give anything here, so the system will give you the number ranges when you are going to maintain the action hiring. Okay, so this range I'm going with. So 09 should be made as a default values. You can create a number of ranges, a number of for a number of countries also. So this is I'm going to
Okay.
create a US company or UK company, any company that anybody is joining in the company. So the number will be allotted from 9,000 to 9,099. So I have given nearly 1 lakh numbers ready made. Okay. So now save
Okay.
it. So whatever the number range is there, that is I'm just copying this. I am going to do this as default value for my company. So that is yesterday I explained you that what is the feature, write down feature. Determine default
Yes.
number ranges. Make them.
Okay.
Make whatever the 09 is there, which containing of 9,000 to 9,099 numbers for allotment of this employee for this company. So now select here
Okay.
determine default number ranges and go to this is a feature name is process. Feature for numcar, number range. So number range for decision making tree. So select here that number range is related to the 000 info type, hiring info type, and add your that country grouping is Molga, and go to select your country name is USA, and select here which personal area you are going to adding. So now I am going to maintain this WKRS. There are some fields also there. You don't need to go directly this. Which field you need, you can add. So what are the fields are there? Please write down. That is under the decision making tree. So field for decision operation, select the radio button and write down.
Okay.
So this is one of the important activity to add Molga. Country grouping is already added.
Okay.
Okay, so country grouping name is what? Field name is Molga. So
Yeah.
that is country grouping, that is two-digit one. So then
Okay.
adding this, that is WKRS. So even your company code also. So one is you mentioned here what is the company code. So company code is what do you call it? Cars and Ford engines. So
For US,
implies what?
Indian food cars. Yeah.
Ford cars, yes. Ford cars. So for example, you need to give only Ford cars implies that yes, you can maintain that also. And if you maintain separate number for engines, you can also maintain that also. So that is also possible.
Okay.
And if you maintain WKRS, that related to personal areas. So which is you created, one is your New York and one is Texas. You can also maintain that. Or
Okay.
if you want to maintain PRSG for employee grouping, so you can
Got it.
also maintain
Chain or
current,
contract?
yeah, active employees is one range and contact employees another range.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Or for example, you are going to maintain employee subgrouping grouping, that is Ford monthly, Ford weekly also you can add. Okay.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
any field can be taken. So now what the
But
parameter is taken? So that is taken the WKRS.
hmm.
WKRS is every year that already maintained here, so I am not disturbing any others configuration. So what is WKRS? Where personal areas are available. So I am going to add in that personal numbers, personal ranges. So please select here what is the personal
Ajay,
range I am getting. Select your personal ranges, personal areas. So by selecting F4 key, so that is called your Ford.
yeah.
Ford, yeah, Ford Texas. Please add both at a time. So I am going to adding this is Ford Texas is return value or whatever the value you created there 08, right? 08, which is containing of 8 lakh to 8 lakh 9,000. And for New York company also I can go to create that number 09, 9,000 9 lakh to 9 lakh 99, right? So you can also add both numbers same 9090 can also be added. So anywhere if you add any employee here, automatically number will be given from that range. Clear? You
Okay.
can give separate number ranges or you can give the same number for both personal areas also. So that is your option.
Okay.
So now I need to check whether this tree is correct or not. So I am going to activating. Activating for 4. So again you need to check, you want to check what is 9, what is 8. So again come to back and go to select these number ranges. So go to intervals. So this is 8 range is for my Texas and the ninth range is created for the our New York. So if I am going to
Okay.
create a New York, so the number will be taken from 09 range. If I go to with the
Okay.
hiring person at Texas, so number will be allotted from 8 lakh series. Clear? So in the real
Got it.
time, you can go 01, 02, 03 ranges if you need, right? So
Okay.
don't worry.
Yeah.
So this is the range you can keep creating. Please, please draw the picture which is I created here for the default making. If you practice, you will, very good this one. So if not getting some same values here, something we will get some idea here. So it is not that much hard to learn this. So just to go to select here numcar feature, which is actions, select the Molga country grouping, select the country grouping is called as your USA. and also select the field values for your personal area. Then you can add, select here Ford company 09 for Nexa, New York, and 08 for Texas. Please write.
This is good. So Ajay, one quick question.
Hmm.
For this decision making, you can't have combination, no?
Decision making tree.
In the decision making, you cannot have combination, no? Saying, for example, for
Hmm.
Ford company, for full-time employees, I want one series, right?
Hmm.
So you showed me three, four, five decision making trees, right? You said
Yes,
it
you
could
can
either
do
be decision
anything.
making.
You can add n number of fields. So you can
No, you
specify the
cannot.
number
No,
ranges also. Hmm.
no. So here it is a WERKS, right? Based on personal area.
Hmm. Ah.
Within personal area, can I also have employee grouping
Yes.
separately?
Yes. You can. Yes. You can
How?
have. Yes.
How?
Yes. Anything is possible. Anything is possible if you add any field values and maintain the dependent values.
Okay. So, for example, my understanding is that within New York, I can have different numbers for full-time employees, different numbers for contractors.
Yes. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. You can draw the picture first of all. You can draw this one. This
No,
one.
this is fine. Yeah.
Okay. So directly come to VUKRS. After maintaining this 10 number USA, WKRS,
Okay.
maintain your code Texas. So
Yes.
if you done this, if you take the picture, you can take the picture, no worry. So
Yeah.
now please
Okay.
activate like this, activate and save it, okay, and back it. So
Okay.
whatever the fields you need, you can do that. So this is your answer. So for maintaining of number ranges, you can choose any number. You can use, first of all, that your country grouping is. So that is range 01 to 02, India also 0102. In USA, also you can add your BUKRS company codes. In the company
Okay.
code, you can also add your personal number, that what I did right now. So
Okay.
WKRS. In the Texas, you can also add. Or in the specify that your grouping also active employees and contract employees also, or you can
Uh,
also go to subgrouping also, or you don't want this all, just to go to directly internal numbers only.
okay.
Anything is possible. So but don't
Okay. Got it.
expect, don't go for the external numbers, because it is already done
I know.
automation. Why you need to go
Yeah.
again
Yeah. True,
manual?
true, true. Got it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so please
Got it.
practice up to here, and I need to see that what number ranges you have created on your system. I have not received any, number. I will ask for the same, whatever the access provided you.
Uh-huh.
I will also get that, and I will check tomorrow that whatever the configuration you have done. So what company name you
Sure.
created?
Same food. Same. Everything
Fedora.
is the same.
No worry. This is my own access, but actually I'm not received any access from Lakshmi. So I will ask the Lakshmi today, tomorrow. I will get that, and what and you need to do up to here. So tomorrow I am going to taking the class for OM, Organization Management Creation.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Right.
I'll complete practicing by tomorrow end of day.
Thank you. Take care. Yes, tomorrow we will see. We will check that. So tomorrow we are going to discussing organization structure, where you can get organization, jobs, and positions. Right?
Perfect. Perfect. Yes.
So, thank you. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye bye.